Imagine walking into a library, brushing your hand across a dusty shelf, and boom, you instantly know karate, French cooking, or how to play the violin like a pro. No late-night studying, no YouTube tutorials, no years of practice. Just touch, zap, done. Sounds like Hogwarts meets Wi-Fi, right? But what would really happen if humans could instantly learn any skill by simply touching a book? Okay, let's set the rules. In this world, every book isn't just ink and paper. It's basically a skill download station. Touch Astronomy 101. Congrats, you're now an astrophysicist. Tap Advanced Piano Techniques. Enjoy your Carnegie Hall debut. Even cookbooks? Yep, you'd suddenly whip up Michelin star meals without burning toast. So how would this change our lives, our society, and maybe even our brains? Let's break it down. First up, school. Goodbye homework. Forget finals week. A single trip to the library would replace 12 years of education. Teachers? Their job might shift from explaining things to handing out the right books. Instead of spending weeks learning long division, you'd just touch the math book and instantly solve equations. That's either paradise or every teacher's nightmare. Second, jobs. Need a surgeon? Just grab How to Perform Brain Surgery, Volume 1. Boom, you're qualified. Want to be a pilot? Touch the flight manual, hop in the cockpit, and pray you touch the right book. The job market would turn into chaos. Anyone could become anything overnight. Resumes would look like skills, literally everything. Third, entertainment. Right now, athletes spend decades training their bodies. But with skill touch learning, one afternoon with the complete guide to gymnastics, and you'd stick Olympic flips like it's nothing. Same for music. Every garage band would sound like the Beatles after raiding the library. Concert tickets? Worthless. The Olympics? Pointless. The internet? Even more full of experts than it already is. But wait, let's think about the brain. Skills aren't just facts. They're physical, practiced abilities. Your muscles, reflexes, and coordination all need training. So even if the book uploads the software, your hardware might lag behind. Sure, you know how to do a triple backflip, but your body hasn't trained for it. Try it too fast, and congratulations, you've just invented the instant ankle snap. Now imagine the economy. Why hire a specialist when anyone can become one? Doctors, engineers, lawyers, they be everywhere. But value drops when supply is infinite. Money might shift from paying for skills to paying for creativity, uniqueness, or maybe just rare books. Suddenly, owning the only copy of a rare martial arts manual makes you the deadliest person alive. Libraries might become more powerful than government. Here's the twist. If every skill is instantly available, does learning even matter anymore? A huge part of being human is the journey, the frustration, the practice, the aha moment when it finally clicks. That struggle shapes our personality. Without it, we'd all be walking encyclopedias, but maybe with zero patience, zero humility, and zero appreciation for mastery. Imagine a planet of know-it-alls who never actually earned it. Kinda terrifying, right? So, what if you could instantly learn any skill by touching a book? Society would explode with experts, the job market would collapse, and physical training would still keep us humble. But the biggest loss might be the joy of learning itself. Because sometimes, it's not about how fast you learn. It's about the weird, messy, hilarious journey of getting there. So, what's the first book you'd touch if this were real? Let me know in the comments. I'm betting someone's gonna say How to Get Rich. If you enjoyed this thought experiment, give the video a like, share it with your friends, and hit subscribe for more science why, what ifs every week. Until next time, keep learning the old-fashioned way.